Categories of apps.
Apps have become an integral part of our life. Nowadays, people are using mobiles for many purposes such as communicating, learning, teaching, playing games, etc.
This leads to the development of several types of apps. As you know, Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store are the two most popular app stores. These stores contain different types of apps which are further categorized in various categories. Gaming apps. Today's most popular category of mobile apps is gaming apps, which shares more than 24% area of the app store. Gaming apps allow us to improve our cognitive skills such as attention and focus. Some of the gaming apps allow children to learn while playing.
Certain gaming apps also enable us to play games with friends and share scores on social media platforms.
The most commonly used gaming apps are
Ludo King,
Candy Crush Saga,
and Free Fire Max.
Productivity apps. Productivity apps, also known as business apps, used by businessmen to perform several complex tasks. These apps allow businessmen to do their work more effectively. The most commonly used productive apps are Google Calendar, Evernote, and Dropbox. Entertainment apps. Entertainment apps are developed to entertain the people. These apps allow users to watch videos, post photos, search upcoming events, etc. The main purpose of the entertainment apps is to keep their users engaged. Gaming apps also entertain users, but they are different from entertainment apps. The most commonly used entertainment apps are Netflix,
Disney Plus Hotstar,
and YouTube. Utility apps. Utility apps allow us to do our daily tasks such as booking a cab, booking a railway ticket, booking an appointment with doctor, sharing files and performing calculations.
These apps make our day-to-day work easy.
The most commonly used utility apps are InShare, Calculator, and Flashlight.
Educational apps. Today's world is more cautious about self-education. Educational apps provide a platform for children to learn from anywhere and anytime. These apps use advanced methodologies and new concepts to make the learning easier. Some of the educational apps help teachers to support their teaching process. The most commonly used educational apps are Khan Academy, Vedantu,
and Learn English Grammar.
Social networking apps. Social networking apps allow us to connect with friends and family members. The main motive of these apps is to keep track on life of your friends, family, and some other people whom you do not meet regularly. By using social networking apps, you can share your personal and professional views, photos, and videos. Some people also use these apps to expand their business
all over the world.
The most commonly used social networking apps are Facebook, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Communication apps. Communication apps allow us to communicate with each other by sending and receiving messages, information, and opinions in the form of texts, videos, and audios. These apps also allow us to see the face of the person whom you're talking to.
The most commonly used communication apps: Skype, Signal, and FaceTime.
E-commerce app. E-commerce means to buy or sell products on an online service over the internet.
E-commerce apps can be used anywhere and anytime while sitting at home or any other place.
Amazon is the leading online marketplace which provides an excellent shopping experience to their users. Some other examples of the e-commerce apps are
Blinkit and Paytm.